Alright.
No.
Just don't swear.
No,
Insert music here.
Frogging great. It's tech speak, dummy. Frogging cars.
I don't think the electric bonnet latch works. Jeez. Bonnet's stuck. The big boys.
I think that bit's needs replacing.
Just that bit.
Yeah.
Everything else is absolutely fine.
Put a new one of them on. Be absolutely fine.
There's actually no salt water on this. I don't know where I went. We've just got this Porsche 911 996. Let's fix it. We have no idea what this car needs yet. We've not even looked at it. But again, like the Range Rover SVR that's got a mad story behind it, this has got more of an unfortunate story behind this one. I will explain everything. But for now, let's start stripping the car down and see what damage we find. I think the easiest part could be the front bumper. So, if it all comes apart like that, we're laughing. It's doing nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. So, I think if we start removing bolts, let's see what that does. I don't know why I'm using a manual ratchet on this when I have an impact gun. I didn't need to sound like Mr. Bean there, but I think I've just realised I was doing it the long way around. I don't know why I was messing around. Now this car has, when you see the damage on the front, it has had a fair whack on the front, which has bent all the release mechanism. It is an electronic release catch, and unfortunately it isn't working. The bonnet is jammed shut, so I did try and lever the sort of locking mechanism to try and pop it open, but just didn't have any luck at all, and I didn't want to cause any further damage. But the electric release button does work, you can hear it working, but it's not releasing the bonnet on this. Then we had a brainwave. Well, Graham did. Saved the day again. We just decided to unbolt the bonnet latch off the bonnet, and well, it worked. We managed to finally get the bonnet open after I messed around for about an hour. What do you think?
I think that bit's needs replacing.
You think that just that bit?
Yeah.
Everything else is absolutely fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I'll put a new one of them on. Be absolutely fine.
And there's actually no salt water on this.
Oh.
Oh, we'll just glue it back together, we don't need one.
Yeah, exactly. Just sit there. Cover that bit, look. That'll look perfect. You won't even know. See? What do you think?
It leaves us thinking, is that worth chopping the front end off and fitting new, I won't call them chassis legs, are they? Or are they?
That's the chassis leg.
Yeah.
Which doesn't look to be particularly bent. Just looks to be this part here.
Just that bit, yeah. I mean, I know it's...
The front crossmember is bent.
The bit that gets me is it's bent all this. This looks fine.
Yeah, it's just looks like it's just skimmed over the top of it.
Doesn't it?
It's obviously bent that bit back and that bit, but missed that and that.
Is that worth taking that? So we'll have to take that back, probably all the way back there.
Unless it separate round there, where all that seam sealer is.
It's not this. No joins on that bit. We'll strip it down some more, see what we can find, but I think that'll straighten and be absolutely fine. Probably get some hate for it, but I think... Is it only single skinned?
Yeah, I think that's straighten alright. Single skinned. I might have to recruit Austin in for a little bit of his what they call it, that hydraulic pusher tool that he has.
Oh, yeah.
And just put it against something solid back there.
That plastic bit there.
Yeah, put it against that plastic bit and just push it. I think that might fall out, you know.
Well, we're going to give it a go. If we can't get it straight and it doesn't seem solid or safe, we won't, but it seems a lot of work for that little bit of crease to put a whole new front toe bit be classed as, wouldn't it?
Probably, yeah.
We found a tracker. Let's go jump out and stall it. I think he's been very lucky.
Right, this isn't first to coolant.
Yeah, he hasn't spilt his coolant. No, I mean it is lower on this end, but it's because it needs whacking up there.
Yeah, bring that back.
Is that a big dent in the floor?
Oh, there is a dent.
Oh, no, sorry, this side as well.
Yeah.
Just put it there and there.
Too light, surely.
They're too alike, they're identical, aren't they? Range Rover could have done with 4 massive bung plugs like that.
Yeah, that's why it goes at sea. I think we might need to order a special 911 headlight removal tool.
Yay!
No friends.
New friends. So yeah, if you can hit the subscribe button, that'd be absolutely fantastic. Special tool. You're the special tool.
I am.
You got it out, didn't you? So now it's time to take the wing off. So there is loads of Torx bolts on this. There is a ridiculous amount of bolts. I thought, with what I could see, taking these top bolts off as well as the bottom bolts, I thought it'd come free. I guess there'd be some on the inside of the door, but yeah, you'll see soon Graham coming to rescue the day. We did have to loosen the bonnet hinge as there was a bolt under there. It went underneath the bonnet hinge, and then yeah, the plastic cowling that released revealed more bolts underneath around the aircon unit and the radiators. Everyone loves a bit of carbon fibre. That's shiny. So yeah, this car has spun out and it's hit a barrier. So put a nice crease in that bonnet. The front wing's bent, that also needs replacing. And yeah, it's bent the front frame, part of the front tub. But I mean, that is single skinned and I think we can get away with it. I think that will straighten up quite nice. Now if it doesn't, when we're on with it, we'll have to front tub it, try and find a second hand one. But yeah, bonnet, wing is a must out on the headlight, and yeah, it span out on it the back end as well and put a hole in the rear bumper, so we've sourced a new rear bumper as well for it.
It's just like a V-dub, this one. What do you reckon?
Like a V-dub?
Yeah. Take that out there and the door should slide off.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. 10mm, 8mm. It's one of these two, I'm sure.
So I did take the sound out of this clip because a speeded up ratchet sounds very strange. Oh, and I brought my eldest to work. As you can see, Graham is filming a bit of content for his behind the scenes channel on TikTok, which is Gfrost with 2 S's. There's that one. Here.
So that's annoying, I put my phone down just as I pulled it out.
Alright.
No.
Just don't swear.
No,
Insert music here.
Frogging great. It's tech speak, dummy. Frogging cars. Right, nearly there.
Nudie thing. No.
Pardon?
What? No. It was meant to be a bloody thing, but I just changed it. Yeah, ignore that.
A bit of carbon canister in way, wouldn't there? Bracket here. I'm doing. Going down there.
Nice.
And then this carbon canister here needs to come out to allow us to get to these 2-3 bolts here.
Lovely. And what does the carbon canister do?
It collects fuel vapours from the engine out the inlet manifold, puts them back in the fuel tank where they belong.
Is that definitely right before I post it?
Yep.
I've no idea. We have no idea.
Rah! Kaboom! Cause
So why does it still smell like fuel then?
I just took pipes off it, got to the tank.
Yeah, but it smells like fuel even with that in.
Because you've got the fucking cap off for about 2 days, frigging cap.
The frogging cap. The nudie frogging thing.
Yeah.
As you can see, Frosty's filming a bit more for the behind the scenes, and unfortunately there was a bit too much swearing in this part, so there is a bit of music in the background. That's the face, that.
Yeah. I must not swear face. Might be a bleep coming.
I don't know how to bleep.
Oh, no, not good yet.
Yeah? Oh, headlight wire.
Should get my arm strong on, I'll know how to get it off. Right. Yes! One wing off! I can go home.
He can't. We have had a longer extension on it.
Yeah, if you like, sir.
So, there is a story with this car. We had this car, the customer bought this car and got it wrapped straight away. Once it... You alright, you two? So, the customer got it wrapped straight away. Then from the wrap shop it came here. We did work on the gearbox and brakes. Picked it up from here, taken it to the MOT station, and unfortunately crashed it. So, it's back here now and we're fixing it. One last quick thing. Please hit the subscribe button. It is completely free if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, hit the follow button. It does help. We're doing this for no money whatsoever. Again, this Porsche is free. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We've got it stripped down. We've got the bonnet off, the wings off, headlight, front bumper. There is some damage on the back for the next video. There is quite a lot of damage on this bit, but I don't think it's worth on this particular car cutting that out and putting new ones in. So we will be trying to straighten that. If we can't straighten it and make it right, then we will have to put a new one on, but we're going to at least he's not sworn. He hasn't sworn. And I've tried and tried, because I don't know how to do the beeps in videos. You've done well.
Thanks.
Except you've stood somewhere where they can't see you.
Yep.
Is there a reason?
That was the plan, yeah.
That was the plan.
I've done my bit to camera. It's my piece to camera.
That's his piece.
Yeah, so.
SVR update.
Everyone, have a beeping great weekend.
You done?
Yep.
SVR video is delayed. We'll have one out middle of next week. We've just been too busy. We're wanting to get something out on this to make a start. We have got all the bits for this now, so this will be in 2, maybe 3 parts, but pretty quickly together. Anything else?
I think so. Very good.
Yeah.
From the back.
Found what? Found a bike seat. That's for my bike. Passenger sits there. We'll see you in the next one. It's doing what?
Cooling down with AC.
Filling the machine up with.
Holding on, trying to cool down.